Welcome to AssistEdge RP How-To video series. In this video, we will learn how to configure the application activity for a REST API type application. The REST API activity helps to utilize the REST APIs over the HTTP or HTTPS protocol hosted at a given endpoint. Configuring the REST API activity to automate utilizing the REST API services includes the following steps. Add an application of type Web API. Use the REST API activity. In this video, we will understand the first step of consuming REST APIs. That includes adding an application of type Web API. Let's look at adding and configuring the postal code Web API application steps in detail. In Automation Studio, click the Settings gear to open the admin screen of Studio. On the Applications tab, under the Application section, select Web API and click the plus icon. In the Application Properties panel, in the Login URL field, enter the base URL of the REST API to access. Note that one should not provide the input path or the query parameter to the URL of the Web API application added to the Studio. It must be added in the automation process workflow using the REST API activity. In this case, provide the base URL of the postal code API, which is https://api.postalpincode.in/. In the type list, select REST and provide a user-friendly display name. Check the sign-in option if the API requires basic authentication using username and password. Save the defined application properties. This adds the configured Web API application. That's all from this how-to video. In the next video, we will understand how to use a REST API activity to invoke the REST API. Thank you.